Hello YouTube. It's cold as hell in here, so I'm wearing a hat. So keep me warm. I just take it off. I look stupid. I have a little light above my lathe here, but the problem is when I plug the light in, it's an old little light my father had in his old store, and I got it from the dumpster actually. They got it in my father's old back room storage room, so I figured, oh, let's see if it works. It works pretty good. The problem is when I plug the lathe and the light in, I guess the ballast has too much juice, and this thing takes a hell of a lot of juice. And guess what? The breaker trips. So in order to stop the breaker from tripping and me doing this, I'm taking this off of here. I like this little light. It's nice. It's a waste of electricity because it's got a crazy expensive like little ballast. And it's a nice little light. Maybe I'll convert it to LED or some shit. But I put it up here in hope that I could use it to light up my my lathe that's right over here. I got a King Industrial Lathe, but I have to take it out because the light sucks. It trips the breaker and doesn't work. So guess what? Gotta take the light out. This is where I drop it and bust everything. Watch this. Come on. I want to cooperate. So yeah, that's my plan here. My fingertips are freezing. So yeah, what I did is I just jerry-rigged it, put a plug on the end, and it worked. So now, instead of using this ancient technology, I use this LED, what do you call it, alien technology that we all now use to hold lights up. Works pretty good though. So yeah, I'm going to pause this because my fingers are freezing, and I'm going to get this done. I'll show you when I'm done because there's no point in recording me putting screws in. Everybody's seen that before. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Anyway, back here I spared the grief of putting it up here. Yeah, I gotta secure this wire to the wall because yeah, if it gets caught in here, it will rip it right out of here. But if you look up here, there's one thing screwed in here, and there's one thing screwed over there. I basically just jerry-rigged it. There's two screws. I took the little chain that comes with it, which is like, I don't know. The chain that comes with it is like this long. Do it 3 links longer. Left 3 on there, left it dangling. You can move a little. And this is the difference. It's nice and bright. It's bright down here. The lighting effect doesn't really give it justice, but here I'll show you what I'm going to do now. I'll give you an example. Hello YouTube. Anyway, if I were to do any machining in here, this cord's going to probably get shortened. Put that down, and basically, let me put glasses on, of course. I would not be using gloves. I was suggested I duct tape these thing, but it's too cold to use this thing right now. But here it goes. Works. Does the job. So yeah, now I can record some machining. I got to make probably a mount or something for the camera. I might put one up top, whatever. And that's what my big plan is. If you lift this up, it disengages it, so you don't rip your arm off. I mean, it's better. It's better than the dark. Looks a lot better, and I can probably get some better camera angles in here. Of course, if I don't break everything. So yeah, that's my little sad milling machine. I want to get a new what do you call it? The hell is it called again? Tool holder. I found out I gotta get a AXA tool holder, I think. So anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching my boring lighting video.